Wide shot of a ship going over. Close on a man holding on. The containers go into the sea. Then back to the same man, and the wave is above him. 4 shots. 1 generation. 30 seconds. And I never touched an editor. That's Seedance 2.5. And right now you can run it for 33 days without counting anything. Link's the first thing in the description. I'm not going to talk about it. I'm going to sit here and make 3 of them on the site, and you watch what comes out. Before we go in, the short version of what changed, because it explains everything you're about to watch. Seedance 2.5 moved on 3 fronts. Length. A generation can now hold a whole scene instead of 1 moment. References. You can hand it far more of your direction up front. And editing. You can change a piece of a clip after it exists without regenerating the rest. I'm going to lean on the first one today because it's the one you feel immediately. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. It costs you nothing, and it's the only thing that keeps these coming. Higgsfield runs in the browser. Nothing to install, nothing to set up. Video up top, model on the left. Seedance 2.5. One thing before we start. For the best experience, use Higgsfield on desktop. This is a big screen tool, and you're about to see why. 20 seconds, 16 by 9, 720, bitrate high, and this switch, unlimited mode. Watch the button change. It now says Generate Unlimited. No number next to it. No credit counter anywhere on this screen. Let me show you how I actually build one of these, because just describe it is true, but not useful. I write 5 things in this order. Who or what is in frame. What they do. 1 action, not 3. Where the light comes from. How the camera behaves. And last, what you hear. That's it. No syntax, no weights, no keywords. If you can describe a shot to a friend, you can write this. I'm typing this one out so you can see there's nothing hidden. A woman alone in an Arctic radio station at night. A dial, a window, a light out on the ice. Plain English. No reference image, no character built first, no special syntax. Now we wait. And I'm going to be straight with you about this part because nobody else is. This one took a little over 4 minutes. The wolf took under 4. The 30-second one took nearly 14. That's the real cost of this tool, and it isn't credits. It's that you can't iterate in real time. What unlimited changes is that the waiting is the only thing it costs you. While that runs, 4 things I look at every time, and you should too. Hands, because they're still where models break. Gait, if anything walks. Whether a face survives a cut and comes back the same. And whether the sound belongs to the picture or was bolted on afterwards. 3 of those 4 were impossible a year ago. Keep them in mind for the next 20 seconds. Now watch what it did with 20 seconds. It didn't give me one long moment. Wide on the room, the radio dial, the lamp, the frost on the window. Cut. Close on her face, and you can see her breath. Cut. Her hand on the glass, wiping a circle clear. Cut. Through that circle, out to a light on the ice, and then back to her. 5 shots. And that last face is the first face. Same woman, after 4 cuts, in a clip I described in 3 sentences. Here's where Unlimited actually changes how you work. Normally, this is the moment you stop and do arithmetic. Is it worth another one? How many do I have left? Can I live with this? 33 days, and that question is just gone. So, something completely different. A wolf on a frozen river at dawn. Paste, generate, stop thinking about it. This one's the opposite. No cuts at all. The camera never moves. He comes out of the mist at the far end, walks the whole 20 seconds toward us, howls on the way in, and ends up filling the frame. Look at the legs. 20 seconds of a real four-legged walk, and nothing smears, nothing swaps, nothing melts. That's the shot that used to fall apart at 6 seconds. That's the gait test, and it passes. 4 legs, correct order, weight going through each paw as it lands, and the body rising and falling the way a real animal does over 20 unbroken seconds. Nothing swaps sides, nothing grows an extra limb halfway through. And the howl lands with the head movement instead of floating somewhere near it. And it cost me exactly what the first one cost. Nothing. Last one, and for this one I want the top end. Unlimited runs to 20 seconds. The model goes to 30. The site tells you straight, right here. So I switch it off and pay for one. This time, I'm asking for 4 shots inside a single generation. A ship in a storm. Wide. Then close on a sailor. Then the containers going over. Then back to him. And this is the one that matters for anyone making actual films. Not that it's 30 seconds, that a single generation can hold a shot pattern. Wide to establish, close to feel it, cutaway for the event, back to the face for the consequence. That's coverage. That is what a director asks an editor for, and it's coming out of one text box. Wide. She's listing hard, deck lights still on. Close. Orange jacket, both hands on the rail, rain coming sideways. The containers tear loose and go off the deck. And then, the same man again, looking up. He's gone from the frame for 6 seconds and comes back as the same person. That's the thing that was impossible last year, and it's 4 sentences of prompt. Run the 4 checks on him. Both hands on the rail, fingers wrapped, no melting. He's soaked, and the water moves the right way over the jacket. He leaves frame for 6 seconds and comes back the same man. And the rain and the metal groaning are in the file already. I didn't add a single sound effect to that clip. Download. No watermark. Straight into the edit. Which is the whole argument for taking the 33 days. Not because any one clip is perfect, because you get to be wrong 20 times without it costing you anything. And being allowed to be wrong is how anything good gets made. 3 prompts. No reference images, no character setup, nothing rescued afterwards. 2 of them cost me nothing at all. 33 days of unlimited Seedance is live now. Links at the top of the description and in the pinned comment. If you've been rationing your own ideas, this is the month to stop. 33 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5 on Higgsfield AI is live now. The link is at the top of the description and in the pinned comment. See you in the next one.
Timeline adjustments logged. I can do it?
So. 呀，你好呀，小宝贝。
Not for you.